Hey guys, not much stuff here. Today we have a Harvey's Tighman ceiling fan. Just stop it there. It is on this control, but I'm going to be demonstrating the control speeds and the factory speeds. I'll start off with factory speeds because that's what everyone knows it by. Go ahead and click high. Okay. You can just do that too. Was it not on all the way? I don't know. Stop. Okay, we'll start with flow. Pretty cool fan. This is probably an older Tighman from 2009 about. Go medium. Now we'll go to high speed. Good airflow. Alright. Go ahead and put it on high. Go to low on the control. Well, the control isn't too slow, but if you want to make it slower, you can just pull the chain 2 down and it'll be really slow. Yeah, I'll keep it on control speeds, medium. And high. Pretty good fan. Usually stays on low. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day.